back to 100-degree weather. No. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and we're in the STS today, and I'm chilling. And I wanted to talk to you about some breaking news that I got in. I saw that OC Motivator and Butter, the Insider, posted in the chat that even more Stellantis employees are being laid off. 100 actually, in a plant that manufactures Jeeps. And I don't know if they do the trucks. I know they do different types of Jeeps. So it sucks, but I think we're going to continue to see more of this, because here's the thing. Their latest earnings are not public yet. And Stellantis is in a lot of trouble because, you know, even though dealers have had a hard time in trying to sell cars, and their lots are full and they can't do anything. It's so crazy how much things have changed in 2 years when they used to be nothing on the lot. But to see this move now you have dealers that are going, nope, I'm not taking any more inventory. And Stellantis is trying to incentivize it by saying, here, we'll give you $1,500 or $2,000 to take this Ram, when they still got 2022s. I literally just saw a video from Car Questions Answered, and I saw a video from God, he's a smaller YouTuber who makes great content in Canada. If I were I'll go find his channel. I'll try to link him in the description down below as well. But they're having the same thing. They got Jeeps for days, Rams for days, and they're all discounted $15,000, $16,000, $17,000 because they can't sell the damn things. 2022s just sitting on the lot. Rams, 2022s. That means that those trucks were manufactured. They could have been manufactured in the beginning of 2022, but some of those trucks were manufactured in 2021. That means those trucks are over 3 years old, going on 4 years old, just sitting new. Here's the thing that's going to hurt Stellantis now. Dealers are no longer accepting the BS, and they're not buying. And that is Stellantis' customer, the dealers, not us. And if dealers aren't taking in new inventory because they're already got 2022s and 23s sitting and 24s, they're not taking 25s. Now, the new electric chargers, of course, you're going to see some dealers take some of those. But I think they're going to be cautious with their orders. They're going to piecemeal those. I don't think they're going to fill the lot with electric chargers because they're not going to sell. I can't wait for Stellantis' next earnings. Because I'm telling you now, I feel like it's going to be a disaster. Now, before we get out of here, I'm going to put the article and stuff here from what factory it was, and where the employees were laid off at. And they're laid off, and I guess they're on hold, like they could come back. But here's the thing. Stellantis right now with Jeep has over a full year supply of vehicles. I think it's closer to like 400 or 500 days of Jeeps. Like, I'll put it like this. It's so bad with Jeep right now that there's so many Wranglers that dealers are trying to run them through Copart and Manheim and other stuff, trying to just get that invoice back, trying to get them off their damn floor plan. And I'm talking about 22s, 23s, Wranglers, Gladiators. Remember when the Gladiator came out? You were overpaying for that damn thing. You couldn't get one. Now nobody wants them. Nobody wants them. And I don't see it changing anytime soon. Anyways, with that said, I've been enjoying the wonderful AC, and I had to sit the STS outside in the sun all morning and into the afternoon to bond the stuff that we have on the paint, because there's some interesting stuff going on with this car coming soon. Make sure you guys go check out TK's Garage 2, the second channel. I'll be posting a lot of the stuff with the Cadillac build quality, build stuff, things that we're going to be doing to the car, as well as another Mopar build. I haven't had a Magnum in a while, but I think it's time for a Demon 170 Magnum. What do you guys think about that? I think that would be interesting. Anyways, also stay tuned. We're talking a lot behind the scenes, myself and a few other channels, and we're trying to get all the I's dotted, T's crossed for a Demon 170 giveaway, and maybe even some other crazy stuff too. So stay tuned for that. But anyways, with that said, thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. What do you guys think about these employees? You think they're screwed? I do. I feel like outside of the Jeep brand, maybe they can save Ram. I think Dodge is dead. I do. It's sad, but I just see it, man. I just don't see, unless they literally reverse course, unless the board of directors fires Carlos and gets his ass up out of there and has some damn common sense. Sell your European brands, do your European crap in Europe. But they're just extra dumb for screwing up their brands that they had here. I don't know. It is what it is. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.